It's not gonna do anything, it's just for fun. Little razzle dazzle. Hi, Roman Empire. Hi, Coley. Whoa. Okay. Ready. Oh, Coley, that was you texting me. My iPad just showed it as a number. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, kitty. This smells so good. So good. So good. Anya. Delicious. Good, I'm glad because I'm out of cans. Dirty mouth. Okay. The pigment is powder gold, and I don't want to lose it in the suds. There'll be no judgment in this household. Two scoops only. We're watching our figure. We're on diet. And see, the cat's upset. She's like, I'm hungry, Mom. Dinner is served. Oh, I'm not even using my G-boats. What am I doing? The pink powder is just like literally powder I got off Amazon, and then Blanca. And now the lunch lady is pulling mysterious powders out of her bag for everyone. to share? Nothing dangerous here, officer. Just a little more spice. I love this lunch lady. Yes. Shh. Cállate tu boca. Ahora. You gotta teach your children a new language young, while their brains are impressionable. We hear you. Guys, it's getting jelly. Can you see that? It's jellyifying. Hey, bubbly. This literally looks like what we dumped in the beginning of the live. Are you having a mental breakdown in my storage closet? Sounds like it. She's gonna drive me insane. Someone's texting me about wigs. Who's texting me about wigs? Like, actually, it might be in that cabinet right there. Hi, Britt. Are you guys seeing this consistency? Hello? Hi, Kieran. Guys, I keep forgetting about my dang G-boat. What is wrong with me? Blessing them with spam. Hola. This one has a little bit of a learning curve, so bear with me. When will you wear wigs? I love that. Whoa, that splashed everywhere. Okay. Another one. It's jelly. I didn't feel like my sink. Lunch lady. Lunch lady has arrived for another order of mystery meat powder? Question mark? Okay, we just have about this much pinesol left. Oh my god, you did not see me do that. And then the pink powder left. Mystery meat? Hey, that's a great name for it. You know I'm right. You know it. I need one of those hair nets. Oh, now I have that freaking audio stuck in my head. My movie bear bags. Aren't these so fun? Please get one. It's like really jelly. I'm gonna wait to the end for that one. I'm scared. It is the earth. Cute. For sure, I mean, this is what we started the live with, that dump where it was like literally jelly and it was just xtrapine and dish soap basically. Fascinating. Okay, this one I need some practice with, so there's gonna be no judgment, okay? Ain't it? I have a purple flash jug right here that's 8. That would be yummy. I also have 2 jugs of fabric softener. This was a no restock live, so we're using our resources, chat. You say. Pick and the rest for powder. Thanks, Brit Brit. Let's do that now. This is getting a little, just getting a little jellified. I've had this flash for